Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. So Saturday, I'm closed on the weekends, but I'm very excited. I'm gonna be working on this bike that's behind me. Before I break it down, I'm gonna hit it with gunk engine degreaser. I had it since I brought it over with me since when I came from New York. So I'm gonna break down the bike.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious.
Taking apart the head first. I'm gonna strip everything as much as I can down before I attack the engine. I'm gonna polish this right here. I'm gonna try my best to maybe probably paint this, polish this. I'll hand polish this. I might replace this with my big bike horn, but I think I gotta take the exhaust down first and find a way to take these. These might be mounts. The swing arm. Break this down, break that down, all this. I'm gonna try to strip the wire so I can clean it up later on.
Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where. You are mysterious.
So I guess this is where they keep all the computer. I guess that looks like a. This looks like a rectifier. That looks like a CDI, and then this looks like a horn relay. And obviously that's a battery. I never knew they had a battery, so take this off, take that off, take all this off, and see what happens.
That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious.
Gas sensors somewhere in there. That's the gas sensor. That's the gas itself. Gas line. I guess this used to be the gauge.
You should take it slow.
So it's pretty late in the day. The teardown was pretty long. I cleaned the engine very well. I don't know if you can see the frame over there, the chassis. That's all the econo parts, tires, the engine's right there. Wrapped up all the mufflers somewhere. The mufflers over there. Since it's still daylight, I'm going to be working on sanding a few pieces in preparation for tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's about 7 o'clock at night here. I spent all day basically tearing down the bike. Wasn't that hard. It was just the dirt and grime. It was a lot of stuff. So you're looking at how many years was that thing on the road and never cleaned. So I did get to sand the chassis, the one part of it. Tomorrow's going to be like a sanding day, prepping day. So I'm going to try to sand all the pieces that I need that I will be painting in the next coming week or so. And putting the bike together eventually, you know, hopefully I remember all the parts and stuff like that. There are a few screws missing, so that's something I'm just gonna buy new pieces for that anyway. So pretty exciting. It took all day. I had fun. Pretty hot as well, but I had fun. Like I said, yeah. So that's the end of my day. I'm gonna go eat something. I'll see you next time. So take care.